Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you? Hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes and doing your homework properly. Dear students, I welcome you all in your online social studies class. Dear students, as we have completed the reading and explanation of our lesson number 10, landforms of Pakistan, and also we have fared the question number 1, 2 and 3. Today we are going to fare question number 4, 5 and 6. So dear students, let's open your fair copies of social studies. Here is the question number 4. What are the most fertile regions of Pakistan? The answer is the area of Upper Sindh and Punjab are most fertile regions of Pakistan. Dear students, keep in mind that you have to write in clear, proper writing. Come to the next page. Here is question number 5. Which are the driest regions of the country? The answer is the Thar Desert, Cholistan Desert, Nara Desert and the Tharparkar Desert are the driest regions of the country. Okay, question number 6 is name 4 dams of Pakistan. Answer: the 4 dams of Pakistan are following. Number 1, Mangla Dam. Number 2, Rawal Dam. Number 3, Gomal Dam. And the 4th one is Hub Dam. Dear students, your homework is to fare question number 4, 5 and 6, and also you have to memorize these 3 questions. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.